Welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is gonna about lemon and honey face mask for your healthy and glowing skin. So to make this home remedy you need honey and a lemon. So let's begin. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and half of the lemon. Squeeze it out and take out the juice. Mix it well. You can see the live result over here. Now I am going to apply it on my hand. Rub it gently. Massage it properly for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wash your hand. You can see the difference on my hand. In this hand, I had applied that face mask. See the smoothness of my skin. And see this one, which I had not applied anything. So hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new update.